Hey Doc, Dr. James Fedich here, author of Secrets of a Million Dollar Clinic. Thanks for checking our financial plan calculator and video training course. So I get a lot of questions from coaching clients and doctors about what to do with these insurance plans. They only have 10 visits covered, they have a big deductible, they run out of visits, they stop coming in, right? I'm sure you heard about this all the time. So the way to handle this is to get it up front. So we tell the patients, what their coverage is, and we work out the financials into a front end and not wait till it's over. So the insurance covers 12 visits, and you don't say anything about it. When the 12 visits run out, you lose the patient. Your retention goes down, collections go down. The way to handle this properly is to handle it up front. So I'm going to go through and show you how to do that. So I developed my own worksheet. We're going to be able to give the patient payment plans where they can do 6-month payments, down payments, or prepayment, and give discounts. There's legal disclaimers in there, and it's good to go in most states. I'm not an attorney, but it's good to go the way we've done discounts in most of the states we've had clients working in. So we're going to give you that worksheet. The staff are going to plug in exactly. The worksheet does the work of the formulas, how many visits covered, uncovered, co-pays, all that. The worksheet does all the math and prints it out, and you can show it to the patients, got the disclaimers, the whole 9 yards. Also going to include with a video of me showing you or your staff exactly how to work through this plan to show them the financial plans, but it's also how to explain it to the patient. So it's going to give you the financial worksheet. It's in there in your Excel sheet. Download it. You have it on your computer forever. And then I walk you through not only how to use it, but how to present this to the patients. This will increase your collections and retention immediately. So check this out right now. If you're a member, it's in our member site for free. If not, check it out right now. If you're not a member or you're interested, there's applications on the website as well.